Introducing Alpha Pillow 2 is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow with air cell breathability, self-cleaning effect, and pure silver fibers on micron scale for a highly effective 99.9% antibacterial and much more. Stay tuned. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
Getting a high-quality night's sleep has been scientifically proven to boost your immune system, improve productivity, control weight gain, increase exercise performance, and lower the risk of serious health problems. A great quality night's sleep has never been more important in today's modern world. Over the past year, we've received overwhelming positive feedback from Alpha Pillow 1 and many other products. Your amazing feedback has ignited us to continue our innovation in self-cleaning technologies. Introducing Alpha Pillow 2, the world's most advanced active germ-fighting system. Alpha Pillow 2 is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow with air cells, Aqua Gel Cooling Membrane, ultra-soft honeycomb weave bamboo fabric, and pure silver fibers. Our pure silver fibers has been certified and independently lab tested, creating a germ defense shield while you sleep. The problem with traditional pillows is that they use sponge-like materials. In as little as 1 week, millions of colony-forming units of bacteria can grow inside this porous space where mold and other pathogens can thrive. Contact with these pathogens has been linked to acne, allergies, asthma, cold and flu, and other serious infections. Alpha Pillow not only provides better spinal alignment, it delivers more optimal pressure points and is more durable compared to traditional cotton or down pillows. Bamboo charcoal's activated carbon absorbs toxins, prevents mold growth, and purifies air by absorbing harmful gases. Air cells optimize comfort and breathability. Alpha pushes nanotechnology a step further where the entire fiber is coated with silver on a micron scale, resulting in silver distribution 100 times better than nanotech for unmatched performance. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects. Our Aqua Gel Cooling Membrane and silver pillowcase fibers helps wicks away moisture. Alpha Pillow 2 feels better, smells better, and provides a healthier sleep posture for a higher quality night's sleep. Alpha Pillow 2 now comes in 2 sizes, standard and king.
At Ivana Designs, our mission is to create better textiles through science and research. We have engineered one of the most advanced combinations of fabrics, and we are excited to continue bringing products to optimize your well-being. We are all set for manufacturing, and we hope you will join us to revolutionize the future of sleep.